Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm here with the code number 3, and we spawned in this very dark room, so let's go forward. I'm gonna talk a bit more after, but let's just... Okay, that was nice animation. Wait, what do I have to do here? Whoa, damn it. Anvil, for the win. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do now? I see anvil, but what? Put the paper. Oh, there's already a code. All right. Pig, or saddle, or whatever. This is nice animation. So, anyways, guys, today I'm here with the code number 3, and as you see, I'm not really that excited for it. Well, you might think I'm not that really excited for it. The reason for that is because I didn't make a playthrough of this. But this one will be a walkthrough. I'm sorry about this, guys, but I had an error with my recording, so now I have to do a walkthrough of this instead of a playthrough, because I already know the freaking, the map. So anyways, there's lava here. I a bit forgot what to do, but I'm pretty sure what I had to do. Yeah, over here there's a shovel. I just go over here, and then you dig this dirt out, okay? And then when I come back over here, there should be a hole. In this hole, there's a freaking axe. Jump out of here, go back around, destroy this wood. Perfect. Now you turn back around over here, and then do another turn. So this is a walkthrough. I'm sorry I have made a walkthrough instead of a playthrough. The playthrough was pretty good, but really long because it was really difficult, the map. But after, I just have to go like this, go up here. And then this is something I'm going to solve after. But over here, there's this. So pretty much what you have to do now is just go over here. And there should be a shears here. And now, what it's going to do, it's going to make this sort of thing. And then it'll say multiplayer, well, escape, multiplayer colors or something like that. Let's just check here. So this is a map place, the map room. What it is, I'm not sure. Okay, so I sort of already solved a bit. So I'm just gonna go back right over here, and I'm gonna show you a bit what you have to do. So, and I'm gonna show you why this is what you have to do. So over here, there's some stuff. We're gonna come back here later. This is like the end of the code. But anyways, let's just go down here. Let's go over here, and there's a pressure plate here. So you step on that. You can keep moving, and there's this place. Press one of the buttons, it'll show another one, and then just keep moving forward. There's a button over here, you press it, and then it should say ESC, there you go, and all this combined together, it says multiplayer colors. The last one is right here, so there you go, and that should say, if you write it all down, multiplayer colors. So what you have to do is go to your multiplayer settings and colors off. So what happens then is, if you click this, it gives you numbers instead of the freaking squiggly thing. So 3, 2, then there's over here, 6. And then when you come over here, there should be 3 again. And when you come back here, when you take that, 9. So the code is 93623 if you go in order. So what you have to do, you come over here. There should be a furnace somewhere with paper. And actually I missed that. I'm pretty sure it's like somewhere on top of my head. I just didn't notice it. It's right here. Yeah. Take this paper, go back to the anvil, and you pretty much solve the first puzzle. So you come here, and then the code is 93623. So you put this right in here and type 92623. Take that, put it right in there. Or am I wrong? Wait, 93623. Never mind. 93623. No wonder I was wrong. Okay, so then change it 93623. That's the right answer. Fail, but there we go. And then what happens? It should have opened something. I forgot what though. Oh, this thing. So this thing is a potion. And what you have to do is this potion, I completely forgot. I'm pretty sure what I have to do is combine one of these or something. I don't remember. What I have to do is this. Oh, yes, I remember. So what you have to do is you run back over here, just to the end, and when you get here, if you came to this room at first, you would see that over here there's just a hallway, and then this sort of wall thingy right here, and you can't pass through this. I still don't know how you did it, so you can't pass through this. And if you look at the potion now, when you come here, the potion goes that to that, big to small. So when you drink it, look what happens. You shrink. This is an amazing animation. Go check out Jesper DN's channel. He tells you how he did it, how he did the shrinking thing. I sort of, in the playthrough, I actually understood how he did it, just because I'm smart. No, I'm not that smart, but I just sort of understood the principle of this. So anyways, you just want to walk forward. And as you can see, you're smaller, so you're able to go through here. And once you end up over here, there should be this thing. So what you have to do here is you have to find the code, and then you put the paper in, and you have to type in that and put it into the hopper. But I'm not going to spoil anything yet because you have to write stuff down. I should take a paper because I sort of a bit forgot the codes. So I should actually take a paper right here, and I should write some stuff down. Or do I already have it right down? I don't even know. Let's see. I don't even know where I threw that paper at. Whoa. And then you get incredible speed. But what you have to do then is with the shears, as you got the shears, you want to go back down there. There's wool. So you go over here and you want to die. You want to kill yourself, of course. Of course you got to kill yourself. The code is killing yourself. And then when you jump down over here, there should be wool. You break the wool, you go here, and then you end up in another room with a lot of crap like this. So what you have to do now is pretty much, okay, so as you can see over here, there's some sort of pads, and then you have to move that over there. So what you have to do is pretty much put that there, down there, I think. Wait, how did I do this last time? There. Okay, so you want to put it up. That's over here. That should go up there. You want to get left. That should go there. You want to go down. That should go there. You want to go left again. Left. That should go there. You want to go up. And then left. Right? Left. And then what happens? The block gets placed there. And that's a good thing because when you come up here, the block will be here and you can move on over here. So it says red down there. So what you have to do is come to the red. And when you press it, there's going to be one that's going to turn like that. And what you pretty much want to do is put this to the spot where it tells you to put it. So right there. Before there was a yellow one, but we didn't do that yet because we still haven't found out the code for yellow. So as you can see now, it turns to a glowstone. And there's a pattern to this. I think it's left. So now there's a blue, right. And then over here, the green is over here. Left. Go over here. Left again. That's the pattern. So the yellow is over on top there. So make sure you go there. Right. And you get here. And then over here, you found one of these. I'm actually going to write that down because I completely forgot the code I did. I did the playthrough and then I completely forgot it. So I think I might as well just write it down here. So let's see the pattern. So patterns like that. And there's pretty much 9 patterns because for the 9 different digits. So there you go. And I think the last one is right. Yeah, and then you reach this room. So in this room, you think you have to parkour this. It actually changes nothing at all. There's just another code over there. A square, and that is a 1, I think. I'm not sure though, but I'm pretty positive it was a 1. So you go over here. Boom, I failed. And over here, the purple is right on top, if you remember correctly. I think it was on top. I'm not 100% sure. But there on top, there's a square, and the number is 1. So remember to write that down, guys. And yeah, so then you want to move on. And you could just press this button and just check your progress in the map. Just update it by holding the map. And as you can see, we found a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. Just because I already played this map one time. This walkthrough might take 2 episodes. I don't know how long though. So as you can see, red. Let's just make sure the purple's in there. So blue is on there. Green is over there. And then, yeah, purple, we got it right. So if you go in the wrong way, wait, where's the wrong way? If you go in the wrong way, go to this room, and then you pretty much come back to this room, which is the beginning. So then what you want to do is you want to come over here. There's paper, that's another room. You want to come over here, and you want to solve this puzzle. So what you want to do is turn all these green. So you step on that, and then you can go over here. You step on this, then you can go over there. What you want to do is actually press this one first. So then it switches that, and then you want to press this one also, and over here there's another number right here. So this is this sort of pattern. Remember that pattern, and you want to click finally this one. And what that will do, wait, how did I change that? You have to turn all of them to green. There we go. So all of them are green, and now I can enter here, but that's going to be later on. So number is 8 for the pattern that we just saw. So you want to write that down, make sure you have it right. And then you can jump down in here if you want, but I'm pretty sure you can't really do anything yet in this. So then there's 5, and then that's the U shape. So remember to note that down. U shape equals 5. And then you can go back over here, which will lead you back to the room. But if you want to go the other way, what's going to happen is you're going to reach the last room, the final room. The final room, you can't really do much there yet. This is the final room. You can't really do much here, so I would consider just not touching here yet. And what you can do is just suicide to get back to the old room. So once you come back to this old room, you just want to go back here, and then you want to solve another puzzle. So the other puzzle is over here. Walk over here and go over here, and then this should be a puzzle. So this puzzle actually took me a long time to figure out, but if you want to look carefully, look at the mirror. So you see there's a what's it called? Crystallized quartz? I don't even know. And it's different than that quartz. So what you want to do is just punch it a couple of times, and then it'll switch. That's amazing. I don't know how I did it yet. And over here, as you can see, there's a stair missing, and there's a stair missing here also, if you look carefully. And over here, it's a crystal, chiseled. Oh, that's a chiseled. Yeah, chiseled quartz. And that was a pillar, so you want to switch that. Over here, there's nothing wrong. Over here, there's something wrong, I'm pretty sure. Or not. Maybe there's nothing wrong. Here, there's a glowstone, so you want to punch this a couple times. Glowstone, there we go. Over here, I don't think there's anything. So as you can see, this is the differences, and you'll see that they're going to add up. There's also a difference here. As you can see, there's 9, so you want to punch this part. Punch that. And then there's another one. Down over here, I think one of these are wrong. I don't know which one. Yeah, this one's wrong. Right? Yeah, this one's wrong, so you want to punch it a bit. Pretty sure this one's wrong. Or am I looking at the wrong? Yeah, there we go. So it changes it. And then over here, that's a stair, not a slab, so you want to punch that a bit. There we go. Look around. I think I still might be missing something. I'm missing one more. Right here. Glowstone right here. So you want to punch that. And there we go. So once it's done, it's going to open a door. I think if you go right through here, as you can see. And then you get to this room. The green one, I'm pretty sure it was this place, but I'm not 100% sure. I didn't write it down. I didn't memorize it, but I'm pretty sure it's there. So over here, it's another code, but we still don't have every components of the code. So we can't really do anything yet. So let's just go back to another room and solve another puzzle. So what you want to do now is you could also, wait, let me just make sure that I'm right with this. So let's go left. So there's the blue I'm missing. The right. Yeah, the green is right. Okay. Left. And then you want to go left again. The yellow, I still have to put that. Red, right. And then finally right again. When you get to this room, what you want to do is invert the room. So you want to turn this upside down. And to do that, it's pretty simple. Pretty dang simple. All you have to do is flick this lever. And then what you want to do, I think, is jump down here. So once you jump down here, there's going to be a code right there. That was a 6, and it was that. But actually, it is not a 6, it is a 9. So 9, and the code is that. So you want to put that E thingy code, and then the 9. Well, actually, that's a free, looks like. And when you come here, all the things are going to be inverted, as you can see. You want to come up here and you want to get yourself a jump boost potion. You can get yourself a couple of them if you want. I consider actually taking a lot of them, just because you might be using them after. And all you have to do to reset this is just go back and kill yourself right here. So go kill yourself. Perfect, just kill yourself. And you'll end up back in your own, this room again. You can flick this lever if you want. And you can come over here, drink the potion, jump over this, just leap over. And over here, there's a time machine. So this is an awesome animation. You come in here, look at this. This is an amazing animation. I don't know how he did it. Still, it's awesome. And what it does is sort of change the time. And I'll show you what happens. So a lot of cool stuff happens. A lot of cool vines come out. Trees comes out. And then once you're done, you could leave the room. If it wants me to leave the room, come on. Okay, there we go. Leave the room. And pretty much, there's nothing over here. There's that jump boost potion again. But what you really want is to come over here. So you lose all your items. But over here, there's another thing. There's a book. In this book, it's just written some thanks to some other people. So as you can see, there's a lot of thanks. And I could just throw this back in here. I don't need it. But there's another code up there that we're going to check out. But before I do that, you want to fix the blue. So the blue's over here, if I remembered. And there we go. And to get to that code, what you have to do is just jump over here. Parkour a bit. Not too much, though. Parkour over here. And then you see there's a number 7. So number 7 is sort of this sort of pattern. Can't really tell what the pattern is. So we're missing 2, 3, 4. And those are the only patterns we have left. 2, 3, and 4. And I think 0 maybe. But I'm not 100% sure. So you want to come over here. For now, there's not going to be anything useful in here. Because you have to find another room before you can actually do anything in here. So you actually, there's like nothing you can do. So this jump boost will not make you able to reach that. So that's a problem. So you want to suicide. And we want to solve a puzzle before we actually get to this room. So just get out of here. Get out of this room. And we should solve something else before we get into there. So you want to jump into the void. Just die. Perfect. Go back to this room. So you do not want to switch the lever now. Well, actually, you have to switch the lever because you want to get another jump boost potion. So you want to come back down here. Switch your room around, turn it upside down, and then once you're here, you want to go get yourself a jump boost potion, or you can get a couple, I guess, but I usually just get like free. And then you want to come back. You want to kill yourself, of course. Of course, you want to kill yourself. And now what you want to do is flick the lever again, and just go back in here. So now the room's gonna be turned upside down. But there's going to be a block that's not going to be moved. So you can actually enter this room. And by this room, I mean this room. So before, if you press that lever, it would turn this down and turn block here up. So you can move over there. But now I didn't do anything. So now I can go over here. And as you can see, the square. And over here, there's a 1. So now over here, there's another code you want to do. What you want to pretty much do is flick that lever, and this will show you a code, but I'm not exactly sure what to exactly do with that. I completely forgot. But what you want to do is come into this room, and what will happen is you'll end up in this room, and there's going to be another code. So as you can see right there, a sort of upside down A that equals to number 2. So the upside down A is number 2, and yeah. What you want to do now is come to this, take a sampling, and what you want to do is place a sampling right down over here. Because if you remember correctly, in the old room, the really old one, there's a hole here. If you put that tree there, you'll be able to get to that hole. So what you want to do is just come back over here. Oh, what the frick did I just do? Come back over here, jump over here. And remember when you flick that lever, it opened a door. Remember that staircase? You want to go to there right after. So you want to come right here, kill yourself. There's nothing in this. And then you respawn. Once you respawn, what you want to do is, you don't have to even parkour this. Go into this room. I'm pretty sure this shows you a code, but I don't remember what. So what happens is, Oh, I remember. I just have to put it in the right spot. I forgot it though. How do I open this? I forgot how to do this. Okay. Nope. How do I do this? I forgot how to do this. Oh, okay, I remember how to do this. I remember. Okay. I'll do that later. But what you have to do now is just travel back into time. So what you want is to get yourself another jump boost potion. This is really like going towards and backwards and forwards and backwards. It's kind of crazy. There we go. When you come here, get a jump boost potion so you can go back and travel back in time. 1 potion, 2 potion. I actually don't need that much potions. You'll need 1 anyways. They'll delete it if you cross a line with a red bar on the ground. That means it's gonna delete your items. But when you come here, you want to flick that lever and come over here, drink 1 of the potions and jump. Once you jump over here, you want to come over here, teleport back, well, not teleport, but time travel back again, and you will find something new, a tree, as I said. So you want to wait till it's done, and you want to go. So I'm sorry about making this a walkthrough, guys. I really wanted to continue to play for you, but I had a problem with my mic. It was like 1 episode was muted, 1 episode it was super loud, and I couldn't change it down. Even with Vegas, I couldn't really change anything, so it kind of sucks. So I have to do a walkthrough. I'm sorry about that, guys. I would have enjoyed a playthrough better, and the playthrough was actually really awesome. I loved it. I was so confused at a lot of moments. You want to jump up here, and when you get to this room, what you want to do is jump. Don't fall down yet. Well, you can actually fall down. Just fall down. And when you fall down, you enter this room. And in this room, there's another code, but we still do not know this one. That one is a number. I actually know what it is, but I'm not going to tell you guys because we got to find that out. So what you want to do is you want to swim back up, go through these vines to get back to the top. You can't really die. Well, you can actually drown yourself. That's another way of getting back. But my way is just going over here. I want to come over here, and over here, there's going to be paper for you to code in something to put in that hopper. But you want to just suicide for now. And you can go back. There's nothing really much you could see here, so it's pretty fine if you kill yourself. Next up, I think, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure there's a code that you can already write in. So let's actually do that. If I find out where that is. Let's see. So I want to kill myself here. Actually, let's go back, and I want to check that chest again. I'm pretty sure I know what to do with the chest thingy. So once you come back down here, you want to go into here. Want to go here. Remember this place? Want to note this down. So R, my paper is huge. R, H, J, that exact order, Y, U. There we go. And then in here, it should give you all the 4 pieces. You want to keep that. Okay, keep those 4 pieces. And what you want to do is you'll kill yourself. It will not delete those pieces, but you want to keep those. The reason to that is because now when you're back here, you want to come over here, and you want to go back into this room. And now with all the items you have, you can insert them right in here, exactly in the same order. So R, then J, then H, Y, and U. And once you do that, there's going to be an opening. And this will show you this code. That is number 4. And that's a sort of B with the freaking dots and stuff. So that is a number 4. Alright. So once you get this code, you can leave this room. And now how much numbers I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. I'm missing the number 3. And the number 3, I'm pretty sure that's a cross if you haven't noticed. Because that was the last number I'm missing. So what you can do right now is pretty much just go back to block A, and to go to block A because you want to change that yellow. What you want to do is just come here and suicide. So So once you suicide, you're going to be back in this room. What you want to do is come back up here and make sure the yellow is in the right spot. I'm pretty sure the yellow was there or here. I think it was there though. I'm not 100% sure. And that might just screw me over. Right there. I'm not sure. I'm not sure at all. But we can go check from over here. So you have this jump boost effect. You can just jump up over here. So red, that's good. Blue, that's good. Green, that's good. Left. Purple, that's good. Yellow? Yellow is good. Alright, perfect. Right. Orange, we're missing. Orange is down there. And once you saw the orange, there's going to be an opening, but we're not going to talk about that yet. Let's go kill ourselves again, because we don't really need to come back here. We want to go solve one of those hopper thingies, because we have enough of the codes.